about field code formula, I will explain later on in deep, and it is not just about tables. Also, if we're going to make more complex, we're going to use VBA, which I will explain on the separated chapter, which it is huge actually topic, not as simple, but I will try to explain much more there. But just as an example here, if I click on the formula, instead of sum, I could use some conditionals such as if. The if system is allow me to remove if. You say something, for example, say if A1 is larger than 5, comma, return 1, comma, else return 2. Actually 0, it is better. So if A1, is this cell larger than 5? No, note that this is larger, which means it is 6, 7, etc. So if I press OK, it will return the value 0. And if I change my value larger, maybe 7, and update my field here, it will return 1. Note that for calculation we have larger than, smaller than, of course equal, larger and equal something, which the characters of operators are this, and smaller or equal are this, and this is not equal. Let's have a practice. I edit the field, right click and edit field, formula. If it is not equal 5, return 1, else return 0. It is not equal to 5, so it will return 1, of course. Allow me to update by F9. But if I set 5, now it is not 5, so it will return 0. Note that we have some limitations there. As an example, you cannot add strings here. If I type something like true, false, it will work for pasting and referencing to the bookmarks, which it is different topics. And in some cases might not work correctly. For example, if I type 10 and 20, okay, sometimes working, but sometimes when I'm editing and changing the operator like that, you might see some syntax error. You have to do that again. Also, you could nest the commands together, nesting conditionals if, or even combining with together. Like I could edit the field and type if, and now type the function if sum above, alright, close the round bracket, is larger than 100, then return 5, else return 6. So if the sum above it is larger than 100, it will return 5, else 6, okay? Is it larger than 100? No. But if I increase the value and update F9, there it is. As I mentioned before, you cannot return the string values even with double quotations, but you could type the characters. Actually, it is not the string, it is referencing for bookmarks. Just as an example, false. Look at here, if I type and press, it is showing me the value 0 or 1. And in some cases, even you might see the error, or it is not correctly working. Just as an example, I update that, smaller equal, okay. In field working, in some fields you might see syntax error and or syntax error bookmark something. So again, instead of going so complex conditionals or other functions there, I prefer to use VBA, which I will introduce later on, how we could work with functions, with procedurals, many events, variables, constants, and even complex conditions, loops, etc.